savannas, mountain peaks, like the great days of old. To fill the soil with the love of the land. Oh, how my heart longs to be there again. Like the days of my dreams, on the nights along my streets. I feel the magic and I feel the peace. Oh, with the lions, with the beasts, oh, with the eagles flying high.
So a big thank you to the school and the teachers here.
Wow, big round of applause. Thank you, Deborah. Deborah has shared that music plays a central role to our well-being mentally. Thank you very much, Deborah. Where